Hey. No, don't bite. No biting. No biting. Check, I'm surrounded by donkeys. Can you believe it? Good morning. It's finally that time again. Time for us to head back home, work another 4 weeks so that we can do it another on our 5th week, a trip like this again. But it's been awesome. I'm really not in the mood to go back. I really just want to carry on doing this. The trip we're taking today is around, we're leaving here at Kroo Guest Farm, and then we're going to go right to Worcester, and then over the, not through the Huguenot Tunnel, but over the pass that goes past the Huguenot Tunnel, and then to Paarl, and then head back down to Gordons Bay, Strand, Somerset West area. So let's get going. Just have to come and greet the gemsbok. This one has only got one horn. And the springbok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I see 9 of them. Check, check, check. And that's why they're called springbok. Bye-bye, Kroo Guest Farm. Kroo, it's not Karoo, it's Kroo. K-R-O-O.
Fantastic place.
Oh, that's stunning.
Surrounded by mountains, eh?
That's it, completely surrounded by mountains.
We've never stayed on quite one like this that's surrounded by mountains.
No, we haven't. Picky.
Hi, Picky. I wonder where Blue is.
Yeah. They've got a big place they can go around. You'll see that I'm going to insert a piece of drone footage that I shot, but it's for like 30 seconds or just not even 30 seconds. Because as I sent up the drone yesterday, the blue crane freaked out, and I'm telling you, really freaked out so much. And then took the drone, brought it back immediately and landed it. I took it to a different spot and landed it so that he didn't get to see it again. So that's why I would have loved to put the drone up here, but now this morning the wind's blowing too strong again. So
yeah, I mean, he is a rescue after all.
Definitely, the people did rescue him, so it doesn't help me insisting on putting up the drone, and the poor chap injures himself.
And that's the last thing that we want to do.
I'm telling you, my heart was pounding when I saw that happening. But he's okay. He's forgiven me. He's still friendly.
Yeah, I was happy to see this morning that he's still fine. Shows you how resilient they are, though. Hey?
Yeah.
And he has half a right wing.
Half a right wing, yeah.
So he can't fly.
Can't fly at all.
So he must have thought it's a hawk or something.
Something
or
like
some
that.
bird of prey.
Yeah. Or he could have had a bad experience with a drone in the past too. You never know. But I think my drone, if he could fly, my drone would have come second.
Maybe it was the sound, like you say.
I think it was the sound.
Sight of it.
No, I think it was the sound of the drone that was freaking him out.
Oh, I had such a fright.
This is now this morning coming from the opposite direction. We can see the bushman shooting with his arrow at the little statue on the rock over there. It's quite cute, and we forgot to ask who put it there and why it's there.
Definitely a bushman, eh?
Definitely a bushman, but it's stunning. It's a brilliant idea, eh?
I can see his little bum.
Yeah. Look at the giraffe. They're beautiful color though, eh?
Unbelievable.
Wow. That is so lucky. The farmer that just drove past here, the owner of them, says that they cover a distance of about 25 kilometers. And we're so lucky to have seen them here next to the fence.
Look at the babies.
Yes. That's definitely a black springbok.
Yeah, look at the horns, look the same.
That's exactly, it's got the stripe on the side, it's just black.
Wow.
I've never seen a black springbok before.
Can you zoom in?
I can try. I lose quality there.
That's quite unusual, eh?
Oh, very unusual.
3 adults and 2 young ones.
Yeah. Horses, donkeys, zebra.
Are they zebra?
I don't know, it looks like
Donkeys.
a donkeys and a horse. 2 horses and 3 donkeys, or 4 donkeys.
Are they 2 horses?
Yes. It's 5 donkeys.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Good morning.
Beautiful, eh? Hey.
Hi, babe.
So nice. Bye.
Okay, so I've never been this close to a donkey. Hello. Hi, gorgeous.
Check the ears. Massive ears. Hello.
Gorgeous, though.
Ah. Hey. Come. Come here. Come. Come here. Come on. You want to. I know you want to.
Beautiful.
Come here. I know you want to. Come. Hey. I know you want to. Come.
Hi.
Hey. I know you want to.
Hello.
Hey.
It's so beautiful.
Hey.
Hi.
Check all the ears.
Hello.
Hey. No, don't bite. No biting. No biting.
Hi.
Check, I'm surrounded by donkeys. Hey.
This is a first for me.
Check how inquisitive they are.
They're beautiful, though. eh?
Stunning, stunning, stunning. Hey?
Guys.
Hey. Hey. This was sweet, eh?
Bye, guys.
Bye. See ya. Hey. Incredible. Bye, chaps.
Yes.
How was that?
Beautiful.
We're encountering weird things on this road, let me tell you.
Weird and wonderful.
Yeah. It seems as if we've taken a very long drive. We reached the Grand Canyon. How's this view?
It's very Grand Canyon-like.
True though, eh?
On a minute scale.
Another mini pass.
My stomach turns.
We don't have much time to sit around eating in a restaurant, so we're just having a quick car picnic on our way home.
Yeah, I'm starving.
We've done the tunnel before, now we're taking the alternate route to Paul. I can't remember this pass's name.
The Toys Kloof
Oh,
Pass.
it's the Toys Kloof Pass. There we go.
It's quite a stunning view.
Yeah. I'll choose with a paraglide as well, I'm sure.
1949.
Okay. It's not such an old pass. Wow.
Can literally see forever here, hey?
You can see this is where they paraglide from. Wow. Quite windy. Amazing. Wow, wow, wow. Can't believe it. Another trip is over. It was such a nice week. We did the whole garden route. It was fantastic. We're taking the little rental car back to the airport. It's been cleaned. And we're looking forward to the next one. Another 4 weeks will go by. And we'll be back on the road. We haven't even planned the route. So that'll be a surprise. But when you look again at the end of this episode, there'll be another one coming. So really, thanks for joining us on this, and if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and then we'll see you in the next episode.